Hello everyone. So we will start today the coding of this calculator. This is the previous program which we have designed in the previous video. Now we will start coding on it. So first I will click on the 0. So here the event is click event is created for the 0. Now what I will write? I will write we have a text result which ID is txt result dot text. So here I will write PUTT button dot text. So whatever it is written in the button, it will enter in the our text result. Okay. And our second button is 1. So this the one button one click event is created. So here I will write text result dot text. So here I will write if this text result text equal to 0, if the text result equal to 0, then what happen, we will write the button text BUTT button 7 because we have clicked on the button 7 dot text. If it is not 0, then what happen, whatever is written in the text box, it will concat with the button text. Okay, so same code we will write in the 0 also. If text result equal to 0, then it will write here. If not, it it will write text result plus button text. Okay, so let's try this. I will run this program and let's see what happens. So text result is the text box ID where we will show the result. Okay, so this is the txt result is the ID of this text box. So I will write 1. So what happened, I have clicked in the 1, right? So initially here is the 0, so it will remove the 0 and print the 1. Okay, and then I will enter 0. So what happened, the text, the this is the code for the 0. So if it is not the 0, it will concat the string. Previously it was the 1, now it's the 10. Okay, so I will write the same code for the every button, right? Let's stop this program, go here. Okay, so to the same code txt text result dot text equal to text result dot text equal to 0, then it will write button for dot text, otherwise it will concat button for. Intelligence is created. Now 3, same text result dot text equal to text result dot text equal to 0, then button 5 dot text, otherwise text result dot text concat with button 5 text. Sorry, here it should be colon. Okay, so we have created 0 1 2 3 for, so again the same code, text result dot text equal to text dot, so we will copy paste the same code because we are writing the same code again and again. Copy this and paste here, then we need to change only the button ID. So this is the button 11. Okay, now 5, again the same code here, just we need to change the button ID. Now button ID is 8. So basically this is the event which we have clicked, like I have clicked on the 6, so here it is created the button 6 ID is button 9 and underscore clicked is the event. So if we want to check what is the ID of that buttons, then we can simply, let's suppose I have to identify the ID of button 7. Let's suppose, so then we will click on the button 7, then right click, then properties, then here it is mentioned ID of this text box. Button 15 is the name of this text box. Okay, so now I will click on the button 7. So its ID is, its name is button 15. Button 9, I guess it's a button 8, not 9. Now till now we will check what's going on. So I will start my program. So I will enter 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. Now I will write code of the AC, that is clean our text box and the backspace. Okay, so what happened, we will when I will click on, so first I will stop the program, then go here. What happened when we will click on the AC button, right? So I think it's need to refresh the program, close here and again click the form one. Okay, so I will click on the AC. So whenever we are clicking on the AC, what's going on, it's basically clean our text box. So what we will do, this is the text box 1 dot text. What should be the text box 1? If I click on the AC text result, it should be 0. So I will write here simply 0. Okay, so now check what's going on. So here I will add 1 2 3 any random number, then AC, so it will clear all the text box. Now I will write the backspace. What happen? What is the functionality of backspace? First I will click on the 1 2 3 any random number. So when I click the backspace, it should remove the 6. When I click the 2 times, it will remove the 6 8, and when I click on the 3 time, it will remove the 6 8 7 and so on. And once I will reach the 1, it should be 0. So this code I need to write in the backspace. Okay, so let's stop the program. So go here. So it is the backspace button. So what should be there? Text txt text result dot text equal to we have a method name substring. So we will use that. What the substring doing? Substring. So there is a two parameter. First is the start index. Okay. So the start index should be 0, and what should happen? It will remove the text from uh, the backside. Like what is the our text box length? Let's suppose my text box length is 10, so -1. It will remove the one character from behind the text box. Okay, so this is the substring doing. And what when we will perform this program, when once the text box is not null or 0. Okay, so there is a method string. There is a method string dot is null or empty string. So I will write the text box ID here and start my is condition, and here I will assign the not. So what happen when the text box is not a null and an empty string, then it will perform the code will perform. Okay, so I will write 1 2 3 anything 7 8 9 10 11 8 9. Okay, so backspace. So 1 8 is removed, again 8 is removed, now 7 will be removed. 5 4 7 8 8 6 3 2 1, now 0. So okay, so at the last it should be 0. So what I will write? I will write the else condition. Else it should be 0. Remove. Now it's 0. Okay, now I will write. It's not refreshing basically, that's why I need to again close the form and reopen it. Okay, now I will write the code for plus minus and multiplication and division. So what I will need to do? So I will click on the plus. So what should be the functionality of plus? Basically, so first I will write the text result dot text equal to text result dot text. So what we should do, if text result dot text is not equal to 0, okay, then what should happen? Then whatever it return in the text box, it should be concat with this plus symbol dot text. Else it should be 0. Let's check it. So 1 plus 1. So what I have written, so initially the text was is not 0, that's why it concatenated the text result with the plus symbol. Okay, again, so when I click on the 1, so suppose I am directly clicking on the plus button, so what happened? Nothing is happening, because if the text box is not equal to 0, then it will, if the text box is 0, then it will write the 0. So text box is 0, so nothing is happening. So now I am clicking on the 1. So what happened? Now the 1 is okay, now I have write the 1, then I will click on the plus. What happened? The text result is not equal to 0, it was the 1, that's why the 1 is concatenated with the plus symbol. Okay, that's it. Same code I need to write everywhere in the for the minus, multiplication and the division, and percent also, module also, right? Sorry. So my Visual Studio getting some issues, that's why it's not opening first time. So I have a again solution, one the alternate solution. I am clicking on the form from the designer and clicking on opening from here. So I will write the same code for the minus. So I am for the saving of the time, I am the copying paste of the code. Okay, and just changing the button ID. Same code for multiplication, for division, same code for the modulus. Now start the program. Let's check it. 1 plus 1 is working. Clear. 4 minus 2, it's working. And clear. Then 4 into 2, clear. 7 division by 2, it's clear. Okay. And one more thing, I will write my code for the dot. So what's happening here? Text result dot text equal to what it should do. So first I will check the text box should not be 0. If it is 0, if it's not the 0, it will concat my text result with button text. Otherwise it will write 0. I'm starting my program. So I'm clicking on this dot, so it's nothing is happening. I will write 1, then point, then 1. Now it's working. So I'm clearing this text box. So we have written the code on the every text box. In the next video we will write the logic for the calculation. Okay, because this video is getting so long. Okay, so we will explain how we can calculate, we can write the logic on the equal to button in the next video. Thank you very much.